Anong pinaka nagiging concern natin sa katawan?
Upper back, tsaka yung sa leeg ko, napaka-stiff niya.
Okay. Ang tinatawag natin dito sa ating development is a technology syndrome in a modern tawag. Okay? Cervical 5 and 6. Right there. Relax ang shoulders. Drop your shoulders. Yep, right there. Sige ako. Para hindi masyadong bumalaw. At nagkaroon ng stabilize na pwesto. Right there. Relax pa. Right down there. Good.
Oh! Oh! Ooh! Oh, yeah!
Yeah. Wow.
Thank you, Lord.
Nice. That's the right technique. Okay?